Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Rad Dad Toolbox. Today we're going to do something real quick, easy, and something that'll save you a lot of money. We are going to change the battery on a BMW key fob. Super simple and super cheap. So stay with us and let's get to it. Okay, first of all, let's not pay outrageous prices for those batteries at the dealer or at these car parts stores. Check this out. I bought them with tax, $2.99 at Harbor Freight, including my 20% discount. That's what you want. Bing! And I got 4 batteries, so let's pop one in. Okay, first thing we're gonna do, there's a little release button on the side of the key fob. You wanna push that. You want to push it really hard, and boom, the key comes out, and then we're going to separate these two for the battery. And basically all you do is pull it apart, like so. Voila, there's your battery. And then you just want to pop the old battery out, and it usually pops out much easier than this. Well, that's one way to do it. You want to just snap in your new battery. Actually, it goes underneath this edge right here. Boom. And then you put your cover back on. Then you snap down your cover. Make sure you put it towards that edge when you pop it in. And voila, we are done. And you got yourself a new battery. Sweet. Bing. If you liked what you saw today, please subscribe, like, do both, and comment below. Be happy to answer all those comments. And check out my other videos here. Thanks for joining us. Until next time, boom. Have a good day.